With auburn hair and tawny eyes, the kind of eyes that hypnotize me, hypnotize me.